The 2013 Hyundai Tucson. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.